Hello everyone. Today we will discuss spinal nerves. Spinal nerves. So the human being, human being contain 31 pairs of spinal nerves. The human being contain 31 pairs of spinal nerves. How many number? 31 pairs. So human being contain 31 pairs of spinal nerves is presenting. So they are the based on the location. Based on the location, they are classified into 5 types. Classified into 5 types. Based on the location, they are divided into 5 types. 5 types. Based on the location, the spinal nerves are classified into 5 types. First one, cervical nerves. First one, cervical nerves. Second one, thoracic nerves. Second one, thoracic nerves. Third one, lumbar nerves. Third one, lumbar nerves. Fourth one, sacral nerves. Sacral nerves. And fifth one, coccygeal nerve. Coccygeal nerves. So they are the 5 types of the based on the location. The spinal nerves are divided into 5 types. Based on the location, the spinal nerves are divided into 5 types. First one, cranial nerves. Second one, thoracic nerve. Third one, lumbar nerve. Fourth one, sacral nerves. Fifth one, coccygeal nerves. So the cranial nerves number 8 pairs. So totally 8 pairs of cranial nerves. Next one, thoracic nerves. So these are the 12 pairs. Thoracic nerve number is the 12 pairs. Next one, lumbar nerves. So the lumbar nerves, they contain 5 pairs. 5 pairs. Next one, sacral nerve, 5 pairs. Next one, coccygeal nerve, 1 pair. So totally 31 pairs. 8 plus 12, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 5, 30. 30 plus 1, 31. Total number is 31 pairs of spinal nerves presenting in human beings. 31 pairs of spinal nerves presenting on the human being. So they are the arising from the spinal cord. So these neurons are arising from the spinal cord. So this nerve is called as spinal nerve. So the first nerve. So this first cervical nerve. So these are arising from the axis. This bone, the axis and occipital bone. So the axis and occipital bone of head. So the first cervical nerve arising from axis and occipital bone of cranium. So they are the first nerve arising from the axis and occipital lobe of, occipital bone of the cranium. So they are the first nerve arising. Remaining all the nerves are arising from the remaining all the nerves arising from spinal cord, rising from the spinal cord. So they are the 31 pairs of the spinal nerves, 31 pairs of the spinal nerves. See the diagram, just rough diagram. Cervical region, thoracic region, lumbar region, sacral region, next one coccygeal region. So these are the spinal cord. So they are the spinal cord. So the spinal cord arising from the 8 pairs in cervical neurons, 8 pairs of cervical neurons. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they are the C8, cervical 8. Next one, thoracic 12, thoracic 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these are the thoracic 12, T12, T12. Next one, sacral region, the 5 pairs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 pairs. So they are the lumbar 5, L5. Next one, sacral 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they are the S5. Next one, coccygeal 1 pair. Coccygeal is 1 pair. Coccygeal 1. So these are the totally. So they are totally 31 pairs of the spinal nerves. 31 pairs of spinal nerves. So thoracic 8. C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8. Next one, T1, T2, 3, thoracic 3, thoracic 4, thoracic 5, thoracic 6, thoracic 7, thoracic 8, thoracic 9, thoracic 10, thoracic 11, thoracic 12. Next one, lumbar L1, lumbar 2, lumbar 3, lumbar 4 and lumbar 5. Next one, sacral 1, sacral 2, sacral 3, sacral 4 and sacral 5. For last one, coccygeal 1. So these are the totally 31 pairs of spinal nerves. 31 pairs of spinal nerves. Same in the one side 31. So other left side. So the either side of the spinal cord. So the either side of the spinal cord, one side 31, one side 31. Totally 31 pairs. So they are the totally pairs. So the cervical 8 pairs, thoracic 12 pairs, lumbar 5 pairs, sacral 5 pairs, coccygeal 1 pair. Totally 31 pairs of the spinal nerves. 31 pairs of spinal nerves. Next one, nerve plexus. So the nerve plexus. Next one, nerve plexus. Nerve plexus. So the certain spinal neurons, certain spinal neurons. Certain spinal neurons combine to form network is called plexus. So this is nervous. So the certain spinal neurons combine to form the networks. So this network is called as plexus. So totally 5 plexus is presenting. First one cervical plexus. Next one, second one bronchial plexus. Third one lumbar plexus. Next one, fourth one sacral plexus. Fifth one coccygeal plexus. First one cervical plexus. So the cervical plexus is formed by the cervical first to cervical fifth neurons. So they are formation of first to cervical fifth. These neurons are combined to form the cervical plexus. Cervical first neuron to cervical fifth neuron, they combine to form the cervical plexus. Next one bronchial plexus. So they are formed by the cervical sixth to cervical 8 and thoracic 1. So these combine to form the bronchial plexus. C6 to C8, C6, C7, C8 and thoracic 1. So they are combined to form the bronchial plexus. Next one lumbar plexus. So this lumbar plexus is formed by the L1 lumbar 1, lumbar 2, lumbar 3 and lumbar 4 neurons. Combined to form the lumbar plexus. Lumbar 1, lumbar 2, lumbar 3 and lumbar 4 neurons. These combined to form the lumbar plexus. Next one sacral plexus. So the sacral plexus is formed by the lumbar 4, lumbar 5 and sacral 1, sacral 2 and sacral 3. So these combined to form the sacral plexus. Lumbar 4, lumbar 5 and sacral 1, sacral 2, sacral 3. Next one coccygeal plexus. So this is formed by the sacral 4, sacral 5 and coccygeal 1. So these combined to form the coccygeal plexus. So they are the nerve plexus. So certain spinal nerves combine to form the the spinal nerves combine to form the networks. So these networks is called as plexus. These networks are called as plexus. Totally 5 types of plexus presenting in the human body. 5 types of plexus presenting in the human body. First one cervical plexus. Second one bronchial plexus. Third one lumbar plexus. Fourth one sacral plexus. Fifth one coccygeal plexus. Cervical, bronchial, lumbar, sacral and coccygeal plexus. First one sacral plexus. It is formed by the first cervical nerve, second cervical, third cervical and fourth and fifth cervical neurons all combined to form the cervical plexus. Next one bronchial plexus. It is formed by the cervical 6, cervical 7, cervical 8 and thoracic 1 neuron combined to form the bronchial plexus. Next one lumbar plexus. So this lumbar plexus is formed by the lumbar 1, lumbar 2, lumbar 3 and lumbar 4 neurons. Next one, sacral plexus is combined to form the lumbar 4, lumbar 5 and sacral 1, sacral 2 and sacral 3. These neurons are combined to form the sacral plexus. Next one, coccygeal plexus. So these coccygeal plexus are S4, S5, sacral 4, sacral 5 and coccygeal 1. So these are all combined to form the nerve plexus, nerve plexus. Next one, the peripheral neural system is divided into two neural systems, two divisions. One is the somatic neural system, somatic neural system. Second one is the autonomic neural system. Autonomic neural system. Autonomic neural system. So the peripheral neural system. The peripheral neural system is divided into two divisions. One is the somatic neural system. Somatic neural system means SNS, somatic neural system. Next one, autonomic neural system means ANS, autonomic neural system, ANS, autonomic neural system. So the peripheral neural system is divided into two divisions. One is the somatic neural system, another one is the autonomic neural system. So they are the spinal nerves and nerve plexus and divisions.